Hey, this is Corey.
And Kelly.
And we're with Thrush and Son,
Your
home improvement authority. And date is Facebook Live Friday. Hey, first and foremost, we want to thank Riley Phillips and WDTN for the awesome interview yesterday.
Yes.
If you didn't get to see that, you just follow one of our posts below, and you click on the link within that post to get the photos and everything. So wanted to say that. Mention Generac.
Yes.
So it's funny, since I mentioned a couple Fridays ago, or maybe last Friday, about the sunshine, man, it seems to be shining quite a bit now.
Yes, it is, finally.
So
you spoke it into existence.
I tried. I did my best. So then we also wanted to mention one thing we're super excited about. Show me, Kel.
Our Duralast.
Duralast. We are now Duralast certified.
Yes.
So we got some great things in the work. We're very excited about that. Wanted to mention that, ramping up our commercial division.
Yes, for our flat roofs.
Yeah. So now we're going to switch back to residential. So if you are looking for a new roof, siding, windows, doors, patio covers, and more, hit us up at one general phone number that reaches all 5 our great locations.
That is 888-349-8889.
You can always check us on the web at
www.thrushandson.com.
Until next time, our friends, keep improving.